This video I am going to show you how to check out your or where can you find your QR code that will help people to find your profile and follow you quickly so that you can stick it on your products if you have a business profile or posters and other options. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, tap on the home button in the left side corner, and then tap on your username in the right side of the screen at the top. After that, tap on the settings button next to the edit profile button at the top of the screen and click on the second option, QR code. So here you can find your personalized QR code that helps people to follow you quickly. So all they have to do is just scanning this QR code that you can change the color of and the appearance of. So here you can find 5 options that you can check out. So just simply tap on the relevant one and if you want you can download the QR code by tapping on the download QR code button, and here you will be able to find it at this section, and you can easily print it out and put it on put it basically everywhere. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.